Greetings, my most gracious ally. I am in a most pleasant mood at this moment in time. I believe this magnificent weather is having an effect on how I generally feel.
My most sentimental greetings to you, my friend. Yes. 'Tis a fine day across the land.
I usually feel very good, but today is something special. How have you spent this fine day thus far?
I have spent the day in my tower, harnessing the sun's rays through a magnification device, to burn the people of Mordor. I had my guards hold them still as I single-handedly ruptured their corneas, so I too share your happiness.
What a fine way to spend a day. Now, about the unfortunate situation with the Gotreen Alliance, I think we should attack next moon. I have hired a band of mercenaries to aid us. They are the northern spongy lizard tribes. I believe that their fantastic ability to make our enemies constipated is a great addition to our mighty armies. I have also had 69 catapults built, from which we shall launch the torn-up corpses of baby goats. When my butchers were ripping them apart, I couldn't stop laughing.
Oh my, the spongy lizard tribes? But Emperor, I am a sworn enemy of those vile and putrid, but surprisingly absorbent thugs. As for the catapults, I love the idea. Laugh out loud. Oh, do send me some digital images of those baby corpses being torn apart. I could use a good chuckle.